kindly guide us for the post image processing of the solar eclipse, and this I assure you will be the final question from our part.
Well, people are used to Photoshops. I would strongly suggest you can use Photoshops, but along with that, you may need many more softwares for correction, the imaging, and all that. But if you are using DSLR cameras, please try to take your images in the raw format. I hope I'm making myself fairly clear, but also take other features like bias, dark frame, then also flags. Because if you are taking images in 3 color or maybe in LRGB, you may have to have so many flags. So convert your raw films into calibrated images and then use it for calibration or for your reduction. And softwares, yes, I have told you about Photoshop. You can try some more also that are available. And you will definitely find new venues to look at. And I wish you all the very best to see the solar eclipse, which is happening on June 20th.
So, thanks a lot, sir. I would extend a sincere thanks on behalf of all the coordinating institutions.